Let's try this one as the first principle. If you think you're a genius, you can try it out. So the formula is f prime of x, then the limit as h approaches 0. So here we have f x plus h, then minus f of x as the formula, then divide by h. So we have the limit as h approaches 0. So where there is x plus h now. So we have the square root x plus h, then minus the square root of x as the f of x over h. So from here, we're going to rationalize by the numerator. So we're going to have times the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x over the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. So this times this, the limit as h approaches 0. This times this one, we're going to have x plus h, and then negative the square root of x times the square root of x plus h. Then this times this is plus the square root of x times the square root of x plus h. And then this times this, we're going to have negative x over h, the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. So as the limit approaches 0, h approaches 0, this one's negative, this one's positive. So it means that now we have negative x and a positive x. So they subtract each other, and then we're left with h up there over h into the square root of x plus h plus the square root of x. So h divide h now, we're left with the limit as h approaches 0 as 1 over the square root of x plus h, then plus the square root of x. So since now h is going to tend to 0, so now we have 1 over square root of x plus the square root of x. So from here, 1 over this one is the same as 2 square root of x. So this is the final answer.